Hi, today I'm for the Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should first press the power key button for a few seconds. But if you see here the Google Assistant, the Google Assistant, when you press the power key and you wanna use the power off menu by press the power key button to turn off or turn on your device. So we should just change the settings. Just to do that, open the settings app and then scroll to the additional settings. Then click here to power button and tap here to the press and hold to the power button section. And just switch here from here voice assistant to the power menu. Now when we'll press the power key, you can see here the power off menu, so we can restart the device and just to turn it off. Just to turn it off, we should slide to the down this white dot on the panel. And after the vibration, we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.